I am so excited. Nordic Lifting sent me a pair of lifting shoes so that I could try them out and give you my opinion. So let's unbox them. First, really nice box, kind of a fun message about being a fitness and let's look at these. I cannot wait to try these in my home gym here. These are super unique, and we are going to talk about what makes them unique when I'm using them. And then here's the other one. So let's try these out. Okay, these lifting shoes are very sturdy, very stable. They have tie laces, and then they also have the Velcro strap. And I'm just showing you here the flexibility of the sole and around the ankle. You could see the heel there. It is precisely 1.4 inches, which is the optimal, ideal position for doing squats, cleans, jerks, things like that. I am a rookie, and I do appreciate the fact that these shoes give me some stability. There I'm showing you again the flexibility in the toe. They're just very good, sturdy, stitched well.